In this material, I'll show you how to open a Tastytrade account. Firstly, head over to the DC Trade registration page and enter your email, username, and password. Then click Continue. You'll receive a verification email. Be sure to open the email in a new tab and click the link within 72 hours or it will expire. Now choose between cash or margin account. We recommend starting with an individual cash account. Enter your contact information. International users will see a notice that extra documents may be required. No worries, this will be handled later. Now provide your taxpayer ID number and select whether you are subject to backup withholding. Answer questions about financial or broker-related affiliations. These don't affect your ability to open an account, but may prompt further questions. Now add a trusted contact and estimate your initial deposit amount. If you're using currency pairs to process wire transfers, enter currency pairs, the primary bank name. For a €70 bonus, you'll need to deposit at least €2,000. Share your financial background, trade-in experience, and investment goals. This info helps TCU's Trade to tailor your access and tools. And then you're all set.